Hey, what's up, people? Today I'm going to share a video with you which is not technical, and it is not actually the topic which I generally cover on my channel here. I live in the city of Ottawa, and Ottawa is the capital city of Canada, and Canada is a very cold country, and especially this year the winter is really cold, and we have a lot of snow this year. I can just show you statistics from the city of Ottawa, where they had just shown me graph saying December 2022 we had a 96.4 centimeters of snow, and January this year we had 96.5 centimeters of snow, which is almost 2 meters of snow accumulated in over the 2 months. And the banks are so high that you can't even see somebody walking beside it. So city is working on it to remove and widen the streets again. So thank you, City of Ottawa, and keep up the good work. And I thought to just share this video. I was just standing in my window watching the process, how they start cleaning it. And I just took my phone and they start recording it. So now I'm sharing it with you guys. So if you like it, so please give me a thumbs up and just enjoy watching this snow removal process in our city here. And thank you, City of Ottawa, again. Keep up the good work.